We are sorry for the interruption here on the KatSat and Locksmith channels, but sadly, today marks 24 years of the September 11th attacks, a tragic day that affected everyone, not just in the United States, but in all of the world. To pay tribute to the original World Trade Center, also known as the Twin Towers, and to respect the 2,977 people who died during September 11, 2001, all of the channels of the KatSat Global Networks and Locksmith Global Networks division of the Katrin Shevtsov Satsuki VM Group and Locksmith Tsukihime Baldi Corporation will pause programming for 7 hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. But don't worry, we'll be back later after the 7 hours have passed. We will never forget 9/11.